KURINJI Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
KURINJI Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Next question, integration of cos 2x upon cos x plus sin x whole square. Okay. Now, I will expand denominator. Denominator is of the form a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, cos x plus sin x whole square expansion, cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 cos x into sin x in denominator. Numerator as it is. So, sin square plus cos square is 1. So, 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, no? Okay, so, numerator is cos 2x, denominator is 1 plus sin 2x. If you observe, numerator is some sort of derivative of denominator, no? Okay. So, what I will do is I will write 1 plus sin 2x has some variable t. Okay. So, 1 derivative constant derivative 0, sin 2x derivative cos 2x, 2x derivative 2, x derivative dx equal to dt. So, cos 2x dx what we can write now? 1 by 2 dt. So, numerator cos 2x dx is 1 by 2 dt, denominator is t. So, what we have here, this it reduces to integration of 1 by t half dt, half constant I will write outside, half into integration of 1 by t dt. So, integration of 1 by t is log mod t. Okay. So, half log mod t plus c, but what is t? T is 1 plus sin 2x. So, half log mod 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x actually 1 plus sin 2x is expansion of sin x plus cos x whole square only, no? So, half log mod sin x plus cos x whole square plus c. Okay. Now, log of a power m we can write as m log a. So, 2 comes here, this 2 get cancelled. So, it will be log mod sin x plus cos x plus c. Okay. Here what we did, first expand denominator sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin x cos x, okay, that you can reduce it as 1 plus sin 2x. Now, by considering 1 plus sin 2x as t, okay, cos 2x dx equal to half dt. So, integration reduces to half into 1 upon t dt, half outside, integration of 1 upon t dt is log mod t, half log mod t, but t is 1 plus sin 2x. Okay. 1 plus sin 2x you can write as sin x plus cos x whole square. Okay. This 2 cancel. So, overall final answer is log mod sin x plus cos x plus c. Next question, 21 question we will discuss in the end of this exercise. 22nd question, integration of 1 upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. Okay. In denominator you have product of functions. Okay. To simplify this, I will multiply with sin a minus b, divide with sin a minus b. Okay. So, sin a minus b cancel. So, no change in the question. Now, numerator sin a minus b, here sin a minus b is constant, there is no x term involving here. So, you are multiplying and dividing with some constant. Okay. So, 1 upon sin a minus b. Now, sin a minus b, here sin a minus b I will write as sin of x minus b minus of x minus a, this x cancel, minus b minus of minus plus a. Okay, without changing we are writing, without changing the value we are writing like this. Now, if you consider this as a, this as b, this is of the form sin a minus b. Sin a minus b expansion sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay. Now, why I use only sin? Why I do not use cos? Okay, why I use only sin? Why I do not use cos here? Suppose if I use cos a minus b, multiply and divide with cos a minus b here. Further, if you write cos x minus b into cos x minus b minus of cos of x minus b minus x minus a. If you expand cos minus sin you get, no, means cos a minus b formula is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. So, here cos upon cos cancel, you get some constant, but here you have sin upon cos, again it will be tan form, that is again in product, which is difficult to solve. But what is the advantage of by taking sin is you have one sin term, one cos term, one sin term. Okay. Now, by taking the ratio of these two, okay, sin x minus b into cos x minus a upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b minus cos x minus b into sin x minus a upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b. Okay. Now, what is the advantage here? Now, this x minus cos x minus a in numerator, cos x minus a in denominator get cancelled. Here cos x minus b in numerator, cos x minus b in denominator get cancelled. So, it will be sin upon cos tan x minus b minus here sin upon cos sin x minus a upon cos x minus a, that is tan x minus a. Okay. Now, we know integration of tan x. Integration of tan x, two formulas we can write, that is log mod secant x plus c or minus log mod cos x plus c. So, this one formula is, this one integration is minus log mod cos x minus b, okay, minus this one integration is minus log mod cos x minus a, already minus is there. So, minus of minus plus, okay, plus log mod cos x minus a. Now, this is of the form log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b, no. So, log of a by b, this is numerator, this will be in denominator you will get. So, log mod cos x minus a upon cos x minus b plus c. This sin a minus b continue throughout. Okay. I will explain this part again, this question again. So, what is given is 1 upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. Okay. To simplify this, I will multiply and divide with sin a minus b. Here it is a constant, there is no x term involved, sin a minus b. So, multiplying and dividing with some constant. Okay. So, this sin a minus b continues throughout. So, here in numerator sin a minus b, concentrate on this part, a minus b, this part I will write it as x minus b minus of x minus a. Okay. So, this is plus x minus x get cancelled, minus of minus plus a minus b, a minus b I am writing like this. So, sin x minus b minus x minus a. So, this is of the form sin a minus b expansion is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, denominator as it is. Now, I will write integration of this numerator upon this denominator minus integration of this numerator upon this denominator. Okay. Now, what is the advantage? Cos x minus a in numerator, cos x minus a in denominator cancel. So, sin upon cos is tan x minus b. Okay. This part is tan x minus b dx minus in this part cos x minus b cancel. So, sin x minus a upon cos x minus a, that is tan x minus a dx. Now, tan x integration is minus log mod cos x or log mod secant x you can write. So, here minus log mod cos x minus b minus this integration is minus log mod cos x minus a. So, minus of minus plus log mod cos x minus a. So, this is of the form log a minus log b. Log a minus log b we can write as log a by b, that is log mod cos x minus a upon cos x minus b plus c. So, this part continues as it is. So, final answer is 1 upon sin a minus b into log mod cos x minus a upon cos x minus b plus c. Next question, integration of sin square x minus cos square x upon sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay. So, numerator is sin square x minus cos square x, denominator is product of sin square and cos square. So what I will write is, I will write separately, that is integration of sin square x upon sin square x into cos square x dx minus integration of cos square x upon sin square x into cos square x dx. So sin square x in numerator, sin square x in denominator cancel here, 1 by cos square. Okay. So 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square x. So integration of secant square x is tan x. So this part completed, minus integration of cos square x upon sin square x into cos square x. So cos square x cancel. So 1 by sin square. 1 by sin square is cosecant square x. So cosecant square x integration is minus cot x, already minus here. So minus of minus plus cot x plus. Okay. What we did here, we are writing separately like sin square upon sin square into cos square minus integration of cos square upon sin square into cos square. Okay. So sin square cancel, 1 upon sin square 1 upon cos square dx minus here cos square cancel, 1 upon sin square dx. So 1 upon cos square is secant square x, integration of secant square x dx minus integration of 1 upon sin square is cosecant square x. Okay. So secant square x integration is tan x minus cosecant square x integration is minus cot x. So minus of minus plus cot x plus c. Okay. Next question, integration of e power x into 1 plus x dx in numerator, denominator is cos square x into e power x. If you observe x into e power x and e power x into 1 plus x, it is some sort of derivative of x into e power x. First of all, I will write x into e power x as t. Okay. Now differentiate both sides. Okay, derivative of left hand side and derivative of right hand side. So UV rule. So e power x into x derivative is 1 plus x into e power x derivative is e power x only, no, into dx is equal to dt. Now here e power x common, e power x into 1 plus x dx equal to dt. So entire numerator part becomes dt, no, dt. Denominator cos square x into e power x we consider as a t, no. So 1 upon cos square t dt. Okay, 1 upon cos square is nothing but secant square t. So secant square t dt. Secant square integration is what? Tan. So integration of secant square t dt is tan t plus c. What is t? T is x into e power x. So tan x into e power x plus c. Okay. Next question, integration of sin inverse of cos x dx. Sin inverse of cos x dx. Cos x what we can write? Sin 90 minus x, sin pi by 2 minus x, 90 degrees minus x or pi by 2 minus x. So sin inverse of sin pi by 2 minus x is pi by 2 minus x. So integration of pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay. So integration of pi by 2 minus x dx, if you write separately, integration of pi by 2 dx minus integration of x dx. Pi by 2 constant, pi by 2 you can write outside, integration of dx is x. So pi by 2 x minus x integration is what? X square by 2, okay, plus constant. Okay. Here cos x we wrote it as sin pi by 2 minus x, sin inverse of sin pi by 2 minus x is pi by 2 minus x. Okay. So integration of pi by 2 minus x, you can write it as integration of pi by 2 dx minus integration of x dx, pi by 2 constant, integration of dx is x, pi by 2 x minus x integration is x square by 2 plus constant. Okay. Now with this we completed exercise 7.3. Okay, after exercise 7.3, okay, we will discuss some formulas, some important formulas we will discuss. First one is integral of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Okay. Now I will explain the proof now. What is the formula? First of all, integration of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Okay. Now 1 by x square minus a square, denominator it is of the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square what we can write? A minus b into a plus b. So x square minus a square what we can write? X minus a into x plus a. Okay. Now what I will do in numerator is I will write numerator as difference of denominator. Okay, I'll write numerator as difference of denominator. For this, I'll multiply and divide with 2a. Multiply and divide with 2a. Okay, so multiplying and dividing with 2a. Now, numerator 2a, I will write like this: x plus a minus of x minus a. Okay, x cancel, a minus of minus plus a, 2a. So, 2a we can write like this, nothing but we are writing numerator, this numerator 1 as a difference of denominator, x plus a minus of x minus a. So, numerator is 2a, so to write it as 1 dividing with 2a. So, this is the thing. So, 1 by 2a into x plus a upon this one, x minus a into x plus a cancel. So, this part is what, 1 by x minus a. Similarly, x minus a upon x minus a into x plus a, x minus a cancel, 1 upon x plus a. So, what we can write, 1 upon x square minus a square as 1 by 2a into 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a. So, integration of this part is nothing but integration of this part only. Integration of this part, nothing but integration of this part. Okay. So, integration of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into integration of 1 by x minus a dx minus integration of 1 by x plus a dx. Now, integration of 1 by x is log mod x. So, integration of 1 by x minus a is also log mod x minus a. This one, integration of 1 by x plus a is log mod x plus a plus a. Okay. Now, this is of the form log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b. So, integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Okay, this is the formula. I have to remember this as a formula. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Okay. So, here what we did, first of all, denominator a square minus b square form, a minus b into a plus b we wrote. Okay. X minus a into x plus a, numerator is 1, numerator is 1. That 1, how we are writing? We are writing difference of these two terms. Difference of these two terms is nothing but x plus a minus of x minus a, x plus a minus of x minus a. Okay. So, numerator is 2a, so dividing with 2a. So, if you write x plus a upon x minus a into x plus a, x plus a cancel, 1 by x minus a, and x minus a upon x minus a into x plus a, x minus a cancel, 1 by x plus a. So, integration of this part is nothing but integration of this part. So, integration of x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a integration of 1 by x minus a dx minus integration of 1 by x plus a dx. So, integration of 1 by x is log mod x, no. So, integration of 1 by x minus a is log mod x minus a minus integration of 1 by x plus a is log mod x plus a. So, log a minus log b, log a minus log b is log a by b. So, log mod x minus a minus log mod x plus a is log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Okay. Next, my next formula, integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x upon a minus x dx. Okay. My proof is similar to this one. Okay. Now, here also 1 by a square minus x square, a square minus x square is a minus x into a plus x. Okay. Now, numerator I am writing it as sum of these two terms. So, a plus x plus a minus x, x cancel, I have 2a. So, I have to divide with 2a. Okay. Now, again a plus x upon a minus x into a plus x cancel, 1 by a minus x. Next, a minus x upon a minus x into a plus x, a minus x cancel, 1 upon a plus x. Okay. So, integration of this part is nothing but integration of this part only, no. So, integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a integration of 1 upon a minus x dx plus integration of 1 upon a plus x dx. So, this part integration what we can write, 1 by x integration is log mod x, no, but here 1 by a minus x integration, it will be minus of log mod a minus x, plus this one is integration of 1 upon a plus x is log mod a plus x. Okay. So, again log a minus log b log a by b we can write no log a plus x upon a minus x plus. Okay, but this formula we can prove using this formula also. So simply multiply with minus on both sides. Multiply with minus on both sides. So what we get if we multiply here minus here and here? So what we get? This will be minus means here you can take minus common, minus minus cancel. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to minus of 1 by 2a log mod a minus x upon a plus x plus c. So minus if you write here comes as exponent. Okay, so it will be 1 by 2a log mod a minus x upon a plus x power minus 1. So it will be reciprocal. So we will get this formula. Okay. Next third one, integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx. Here whenever you have x square plus a square, then you substitute x is equal to either a tan theta or a cot theta. Whenever you have a square minus x square, then you substitute x is equal to either a sin theta or a cos theta. Whenever you have x square minus a square, then substitute x is equal to either a secant theta or a cosecant theta. Okay. So here by putting x is equal to a tan theta, x is equal to a tan theta, theta is equal to how much? Theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Now x is equal to a tan theta means dx is equal to what? A tan theta differentiation secant square theta, theta differentiation d theta. So in place of dx we will write this quantity, in place of x we will write this quantity. So by substituting, integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal to dx is what? A secant square theta d theta. Okay, denominator x square is what? X square is a square tan square theta plus a square. So overall a square common in denominator. Okay, so one a in numerator, one a in denominator cancel. So you have one more a in denominator. So 1 by a. So secant square theta d theta. Denominator by taking a square common, 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So this secant square theta, 1 plus tan square theta cancel. So overall what we have? 1 by a integration of d theta. Okay, integration of d theta is theta. So 1 by a theta plus c. So what is theta? Theta is tan inverse of x by a. So integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, this is also important formula. Okay, now what we substitute here in place of x? In place of x we will substitute a tan theta. Dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. Okay, now 1 upon x square plus a square dx equal to dx is a secant square theta d theta, x square is a square tan square theta, a square as it is, a square common in denominator. Okay, a square into 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square is a secant square, this secant square cancel. 1 a in numerator, 1 a in denominator cancel. 1 by a you have 1 by a d theta, integration of 1 by a d theta, where 1 by a is constant, I will write outside. Integrate 1 by a into integration of d theta. Integration of d theta is theta plus c. So 1 by a theta plus c. 1 by a, what is theta? Theta is tan inverse of x by a. So 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Okay. Next formula, integration of 1 upon square root of a square x square minus a square dx is equal to log mod x plus square root of a square log mod x plus square root of a square minus x square plus c. I already told you whenever you have x square minus a square, then you substitute either x equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta. Okay, by putting x equal to a secant theta, what is the advantage? Dx equal to what? A secant theta derivative secant theta into tan theta, theta derivative d theta. So dx, in place of dx what will write? A secant theta tan theta d theta. Denominator x square is a square secant square theta minus a square. Here a square common, from both the terms a square common, a square into secant square theta minus 1 under root. Okay, so square and square root cancel, what we get? A secant square minus secant square theta minus 1 is a tan square theta, square root of tan square theta is tan theta. So a in numerator, a in denominator cancel, tan theta cancel. So integration of secant theta d theta. Okay, what is the formula of integration of secant theta? Log mod secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, so what is this integration? Log mod secant theta plus tan theta plus some constant. I will write that constant as C1. Okay. Now, what is secant theta here? Secant theta is x by a. So, log mod secant theta is x by a plus tan theta. Tan theta is what? Square root of secant square theta minus 1. So, square root of secant square theta. Secant square theta is x by a whole square minus 1 plus constant. So, if you take LCM, what we get? Log mod x plus square root of x square minus a square upon e. So, log a by b we can write as log a minus log b, log a minus log b plus constant. Now, this is some constant, this is some constant, this total is also a constant, let it be c. So, integration of square root of x square minus a square, integration of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square dx equal to log mod x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Okay. What is the substitution here? First of all, substitution is x is equal to a secant theta. Okay. Dx is equal to what? A secant theta tan theta d theta. So, in place of dx we will write this quantity, in place of x we will write this quantity. Okay. Square root of a square secant square theta minus a square common. So, a square into secant square theta minus 1 under square root. Okay. Square root of a square is a, square root of secant square theta minus 1 is square root of tan square theta, square root of tan square theta is tan theta. So, a cancel, tan cancel. So, integration of secant theta is log mod secant theta plus tan theta plus some constant. Okay. Now, from here secant theta is x by a plus tan theta is square root of secant square theta minus 1. Okay. Secant square theta is x by a whole square minus 1. Okay. By simplification we got integration of 1 by x square 1 by square root of x square minus a square dx is equal to log mod x plus square root of x square minus a square plus some constant.